Welcome to the Shirvan Family Live Well Center. Come on in.
Our mission is to empower all individuals and families to live a healthier life. Our bilingual team is here to help you focus on the basic elements of wellness, such as nutrition, exercise, and taking care of yourself emotionally.
The Live Well Center offers our community tools, education, and strategies that we can't give them within the four walls of a doctor's office or a hospital. There's many things that go into somebody dealing with a chronic medical condition or remaining healthy and well, and preventative health care really starts in the community. So at the Live Well Center now, we're engaging in our community to provide those tools.
The center, located in downtown Englewood, is a warm, inclusive, and safe space where people can come to relax, make friends, and explore learning opportunities that can literally change your life. And every class we offer is free.
One of the great features of our Live Well Center is our beautiful state-of-the-art kitchen, where we have individualized cooking stations for members of the community to come in to learn healthy ways to cook for themselves and their families. We also have a multi-purpose space where we offer exercise classes, strength and mobility training, art therapy, meditation, and yoga.
Our chef and dietitians team up to teach important cooking skills.
We teach you how to cook healthy and affordable meals. Whether your goal is to cook with more nutritious foods or manage a chronic condition like diabetes, I'll teach you how to cook delicious meals. And we'll have fun doing it.
Our Talk with a Doc sessions with Englewood health experts cover a wide range of health issues impacting people of all ages. And social workers participate too, to better support our community.
Whether your goal is eating better, cooking healthier, moving more, or improving your emotional well-being, the Live Well Center has a variety of options for you.
Taking control of your health can happen one step at a time, and the Live Well Center is a great resource for that first step. Try a class, meet some of your community members, and take control.